UK Bribery Act. The UK Bribery Act, formerly known as the Bribery Act 2010, is a landmark British anti-corruption statute. Widely considered one of the strictest anti-bribery laws in the world, it is frequently compared to the US Foreign Corrupt Practices Act, or FCPA. Enacted to replace outdated Victorian-era corruption laws, this statute establishes a comprehensive global framework for combating commercial and public bribery. Why do international corporate lawyers view this law as exceptionally rigorous? First, it criminalizes not only the bribing of foreign public officials, but also private, business-to-business commercial bribery. Second, unlike American law, it completely bans facilitation payments, commonly known as grease payments, made to speed up routine government actions. Third, Section 7 introduces a strict liability corporate offence for failing to prevent bribery within a commercial organisation. Companies with any UK business presence can be prosecuted in London for bribery committed by associates anywhere in the world unless they prove they had adequate procedures in place. For example, imagine an Australian engineering company maintains a small marketing office in London. One of the company's sales agents pays a secret cash bribe to a local port official in South America to secure a lucrative construction contract. Even though the bribe occurred in South America and involved no British citizens, the UK Serious Fraud Office can prosecute the Australian company under the UK Bribery Act. If the company failed to implement strict anti-corruption compliance policies, it faces unlimited financial fines in British courts.